This is some info on item. 3-pack, light socket to plug adapter, 2-prong polarized outlet socket adapter, convert light socket to 2 electrical outlet and 1 light socket, black by JustFast 06012020, cost, $, Amazon, https://www.amazon.com/gp/b07b6jb2y1 /ref /p/x_b_score/I0_5_s005_s008 Perfect for workshops and garages. Split your E26 socket to 2 outlets, 2-prong polarized outlets, and 1 E26 sockets. UL listed, 660 watt, 125 volt, insulated and durable, 200 degrees Celsius heat resistant, no fire hazard, work well in any place where you need an extra plug, and lighting adds more outlets to warehouses, garages, lofts, laundry rooms, etc. Easy to install. Plug and play. 100% satisfy guarantee, 1-year warranty and 90 days 100% money back or free exchange guarantee. Any issue, please feel free to contact us. We are always at your service. Please keep in mind that we always stand behind our product. 3-pack, light socket to plug adapter, 2-prong polarized outlet socket adapter, convert light socket to 2 electrical outlet and 1 light socket, black. Product description: light socket plug adapter. Product information: technical details, manufacturer ConWen, item weight 4.8 ounces, package dimensions 4.2 x 3 x 0.3 inches, batteries required. No additional information. ASIN B07B6JB2Y1.
I use these things all the time. They work really well. Right now I'm using, that's the white version, but it's just a different color that I just showed earlier. And the way I'm using this is to connect LCD lights. You see the plug is coming out at the side and it goes to an LCD light. I did a video on those LCD lights, and that allows me to continuously run LCD lights as they bunny hop off each other. And what that allows me to do is to be able to turn on and off one switch to turn on all the lights in the basement and all the lights off in the basement. So that's what I use them for. They work really well. They're good to have for unusual situations like this one. It's a temporary plug if you just want to put a temporary plug, or a permanent plug that you need above you, or if you don't have, let's say, a plug in a wall and you just have a light socket, you can add a plug to the room. So this is just an easy way to do it, convenient, workaround. It works really well. I use them all the time. Alright, so I hope you liked the video. I hope it helps. Thank you.